What's up, everyone? It's your host, Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day. And in this episode, we're going to go over ChatGPT versus Grok. xAI, the company founded by Elon Musk, just released the free app version of Grok, and we're going to test it out superficially first. On iOS 18, ChatGPT now comes pre-downloaded. Grok, I had to download. They also just made Grok free. So we're going to check out both, or I've already checked them out. And right now, ChatGPT, I would say, is the clear winner. I would say right now, for text-based things such as creating an avatar for yourself, like art, Grok is the clear winner, and I'll show you why real quick. So like, I asked ChatGPT, make me an avatar for like tech, Apple, and creativity. And it really didn't ask me stuff. It was just like, this. Great, we created it. It took a little longer than Grok to create this avatar for me. Looks cool, looks weird, especially when you like zoom in, like alien AirPods. You know, it kind of looks funny. I mean, they got like an iPhone Pro going, so it's like, it's decent. On Grok, I asked it to create for me the same here. So in a prior conversation, I was like, hey Grok, can you create for me an avatar based on Apple tech, based on tech, etc. So they used my, I literally wrote, hey, create me an AI avatar based on Jackeal, etc. And this is what they created for me. It's cool, it's futuristic. I would go with one of these profiles before I go with what ChatGPT created. And they created these faster than ChatGPT. However, Grok currently, like I asked, hey, do you have voice capabilities? And they said that right now Grok does not have voice capabilities, whereas ChatGPT does, which I've added right here to my control center. So this is ChatGPT on Voice Center. Hey Soul, what's the weather today?
Hey Jackeal, the weather's looking pretty sunny today. Great day to get out and enjoy it. Need any more details?
Actually, I have a different question. What is the difference between ChatGPT and Grok?
ChatGPT and Grok are both advanced AI language models. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is designed to understand and generate human-like text for various applications. Grok, on the other hand, is from X.AI and focuses more on scheduling and productivity, acting as a virtual assistant. Both are powerful, but serve slightly...
That's interesting. It cut itself off. Okay. Well, thank you, Soul.
You're welcome, Jackeal. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So this is interesting, and I want you guys to see as well. I then asked Grok the difference between ChatGPT and Grok said, to summarize, basically, ChatGPT, I'm going to try and get it with less glare, but Grok basically said ChatGPT is to creating artificial intelligence to benefit humanity, whereas Grok is to accelerate human scientific discovery. Nuances. The other thing is, for training data and real-time information, basically ChatGPT uses various data sets, books, articles, web pages, etc. Knowledge is cut off at a certain point. However, ChatGPT 4 can incorporate current information via web search features. However, it doesn't have real-time data access like Grok does, such as via Twitter. So because Elon Musk owns both X.AI, which created Grok, and Twitter, because he now owns Twitter, Grok incorporates real-time current relevant information from basically tweets, which is very interesting. So real-time significant advantage for queries about current events or trends, which is very interesting. And then, according to Grok, ChatGPT excels in generating human-like text, translating languages, and creating various creative text formats, versatility in applications, etc. Grok is humorous, sarcastic, straightforward interaction inspired by Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Less censored, users appreciative for raw and unfiltered responses. Real-time data. It says, but its capabilities in other areas such as coding and creative writing might not match ChatGPT's. Interesting. Image generation capabilities are also noted. ChatGPT's integration with DALL-E might be better, etc. So, interaction and tone, ChatGPT, formal or corporate tone, less engaging, etc. Engaging and rebellious humor via Grok. Overall, both are good. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Apple-related content. If you've already tried ChatGPT versus Grok. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm curious what your thoughts are. As of right now, I'm probably gonna mix and match the two because I really like the speed of the processing on Grok and for it to basically intuit what I need. Whereas I appreciate the voice capabilities of ChatGPT. Sol, that's the name, SOL, of the voice you just heard. She's personable and you can adjust her tone. I also have a different video. I'm going to try and include the link up here and in the description below where I also explored ChatGPT's voice capabilities as well, the limitations, what it can do, what it can answer, etc. Because it's so cool because Sol can modulate her voice based on your needs, such as, hey, I need you to talk in a more somber tone. I need you to talk in a more upbeat, preppy tone. And she can talk in, I think she said like hundreds of different languages and dialects. I'm not sure. But basically any language that I spoke at Seoul live, like if I switched between French, Spanish, Thai, English, I think Japanese, she was able to pick it up right away with almost no lag. And that's crazy. No instructions, nothing, just speak a language into it and it understood. So it would be interesting to see eventually the development of Grok to catch up to ChatGPT because OpenAI, the company that makes ChatGPT, was also founded by Elon Musk before he split out from them to develop his own xAI, the parent company for Grok. I'm calling xAI the parent company for Grok, even though Grok was integrated originally into Twitter/X that he bought. There's a lot of X's going around. Tesla Model X, X, which is now was previously Twitter, and then xAI, and then his daughter XAsh812. No, wait, no, his daughter's Exo Dark Side Real. His son is XAsh812. Yeah, so a lot of X's being thrown around, Elon. What's the deal with that? Okay? Alright. Thank you again for watching. Peace.